Ever missed a call or message because your phone was on silent or you were in a noisy place? With the Xiaomi Redmi A5, you can use flash notifications, a visual alert system that uses your camera flash or screen light to grab your attention. Let me show you how to turn this on and customize it. First, open the Settings app on your Redmi A5. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Under the General section, tap Flash Notifications. Here you'll see two options, camera flash and screen flash. If you turn on camera flash, the phone's LED light will blink whenever you get calls, messages, or alarms. This is especially handy if your phone is face down on a table. If you turn on screen flash, your display will light up brightly to notify you. The default flash color is yellow, but you can change it. Tap Screen Flash, choose your preferred color from the menu, then tap Done. To test it out, tap the Preview button and see how it looks before applying. Once you're satisfied, press the back key or return to the home screen. Your changes are applied instantly. If you want to save battery or you're in a situation where flashing lights might be distracting, you can turn the toggles off anytime. Just go back to the same menu and switch off camera flash or screen flash. Flash notifications are great for quiet environments like libraries where you don't want sounds, or loud environments like concerts where you can't hear vibrations. Just remember that using the camera flash frequently may drain your battery a little faster, so switch it off when you don't need it. And that's it! You now know how to turn on and off flash notifications on the Xiaomi Redmi A5, and even customize the screen flash color to your liking. If this video helped you set up smarter notifications, give it a thumbs up and check out my other Redmi A5 tutorials for more ways to master your phone. Thanks for watching!